Imagine living in a world where your phone can not only answer your questions, but can also anticipate your needs. Where your car drives itself and your home adjusts the temperature based on your mood. This isn't some far-off fantasy. This is the world we're stepping into with artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere these days, from the voice assistants on our smartphones to the algorithms recommending funny cat videos online. But here's the thing. With all this intelligence swirling around, it begs the question, are humans and AI destined to be locked in some kind of robot versus human battle? Or can we forge a powerful partnership, a team-up that makes the future brighter for everyone? In this video, we're diving into the fascinating relationship between humans and AI, exploring how we can work together to create a future that benefits us all. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. Embracing AI as collaborators, not competitors. First and foremost, it's crucial to recognize that AI is not here to replace us, but to collaborate with us. As intelligent machines become increasingly integrated into our workflows and decision-making processes, they augment our capabilities, offering insights, automating routine tasks, and enabling use to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. By embracing AI as collaborators rather than competitors, we can unlock new opportunities for innovation, productivity, and growth across various industries and sectors. Number 2. Navigating ethical and societal implications. However, as we integrate AI into our daily lives, we must navigate the ethical and societal implications of this technology. From concerns about job displacement and algorithmic bias to questions of privacy, accountability, and autonomy, the widespread adoption of AI raises complex ethical dilemmas that require careful consideration and proactive solutions. By fostering dialogue, transparency, and collaboration between stakeholders, we can ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed in ways that prioritize human well-being, fairness, and social justice. Number 3. Empowering human-centric design. Human-centric design is essential for fostering a harmonious relationship between humans and AI. By prioritizing user needs, preferences, and values, designers can create AI systems and interfaces that are intuitive, accessible, and inclusive. From voice assistants and chatbots to autonomous vehicles and smart homes, human-centric design principles ensure that AI technologies adapt to human behavior and preferences, enhancing usability and user satisfaction. By empowering users to interact with AI in ways that align with their needs and expectations, we can foster trust and acceptance of this technology in our daily lives. Number 4. Cultivating digital literacy and education. In an AI-driven world, digital literacy and education are more important than ever. As AI technologies become increasingly prevalent, it's essential for individuals to understand how they work, their potential applications, and their societal implications. By fostering digital literacy skills, critical thinking, and ethical reasoning, we can empower people to navigate the complexities of the digital landscape, make informed decisions about AI technologies, and advocate for policies that promote transparency, accountability, and responsible AI development. Number 5. Embracing AI for social good. Despite the challenges and concerns surrounding AI, this technology also holds immense potential for driving positive social change and addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges. From healthcare and education to environmental conservation and humanitarian aid, AI-powered solutions are revolutionizing how we tackle complex problems and improve quality of life for people around the globe. By harnessing the power of AI for social good, we can leverage technology to create a more inclusive, equitable, and sustainable future for all. Number 6. Fostering transparency and accountability. Transparency and accountability are crucial for building trust in AI systems and ensuring that they are used responsibly. Organizations developing and deploying AI technologies must be transparent about how they collect, process, and use data, as well as the algorithms and decision-making processes behind their systems. By holding developers and stakeholders accountable for the ethical and social implications of their AI systems, we can mitigate risks and ensure that AI is deployed in ways that uphold human rights, privacy, and fairness. See? Number 7, addressing bias and fairness. AI algorithms are not immune to bias, reflecting the biases and prejudices present in the data used to train them. Addressing bias and promoting fairness in AI requires proactive measures, such as diversifying training data, auditing algorithms for bias, and incorporating fairness metrics into AI development processes. By striving for fairness and equity in AI systems, we can mitigate the negative impacts of bias and discrimination, ensuring that AI benefits all members of society, regardless of race, gender, or other characteristics. Number 8, safeguarding privacy and data protection. As AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of data, safeguarding privacy and data protection becomes paramount. Robust data protection regulations and privacy-preserving techniques, such as encryption and anonymization, are essential for protecting individuals' personal information and preventing unauthorized access or misuse. By respecting individuals' privacy rights and implementing stringent data protection measures, we can build trust and confidence in AI systems, fostering acceptance and adoption among users. Number 9, promoting diversity and inclusion in AI development. Diversity and inclusion are critical for ensuring that AI technologies reflect the needs and perspectives of diverse communities. By promoting diversity in AI development teams and including underrepresented voices in decision-making processes, we can mitigate the risk of bias and ensure that AI systems are designed with a broad range of users in mind. By embracing diversity and inclusion, we can create AI technologies that are more equitable, accessible, and beneficial for all members of society. Number 10, encouraging lifelong learning and adaptability. As AI technologies continue to evolve and advance, it's essential for individuals to embrace lifelong learning and adaptability to keep pace with these changes. By investing in education and training programs that equip people with the skills and knowledge needed to work alongside AI systems, we can empower individuals to thrive in the digital age. By fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptability, we can harness the full potential of AI to drive innovation, economic growth, and societal progress. Number 11, leveraging AI for environmental sustainability. AI has the potential to play a significant role in addressing environmental challenges and promoting sustainability. From optimizing energy usage and resource allocation to predicting and mitigating the impacts of climate change, AI-powered solutions can help us build a more sustainable future. By harnessing AI to monitor and manage natural ecosystems, reduce carbon emissions, and promote renewable energy sources, we can protect our planet and ensure a healthy and prosperous future for generations to come. Number 12, building resilience and anticipating risks. As we embrace AI technologies, it's essential to build resilience and anticipate potential risks and challenges. This includes investing in cybersecurity measures to protect AI systems from cyber threats, developing contingency plans for AI failures or malfunctions, and ensuring that humans retain control and oversight over critical decision-making processes. By proactively addressing risks and building resilience into AI systems, we can minimize disruptions and maximize the benefits of this transformative technology for society. Of course, there are challenges to address. As AI continues to evolve, concerns about job displacement and ethical considerations regarding bias and transparency are crucial. We need to ensure AI development and deployment are done responsibly, with human oversight and clear guidelines in place. The future of the human-AI relationship is a story yet to be written. So, what do you think? How can humans and AI work together effectively? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed exploring the future of human-AI partnerships, be sure to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions about technology and society.